If I look at your business segments, mattresses account for nearly 61% of your revenues, followed by furniture at nearly 29%, and then furnishing at 10%. Uh, Mattresses being the biggest chunk of your revenues there, and when you are expanding into many various cities, tier 2, tier 3, what we normally see is that there are a lot of unorganized players in that. Small shops that do local manufacturing of mattresses and other stuff. How do you plan to get into the city, and is that a competitive price competitive market for you in that sense?
Yeah, I think, valid question. We as a company have, whether it is a metro city, tier 1 city or tier 2 city, we have seen and there is enough competition in all ranges of products that exist in the mattress industry. But I think, we've always seen in the last 10 years that what has worked for Wakefit, now that we have, become a very sizable business in mattress and probably in the top 3 in India, not only just online, that we are probably, top 2 company in India who's selling mattresses by revenue. What we have learned is that the true differentiation in terms of competitive intensity comes only when you are innovating for customers, when you're building policies for customers which are very unique, which are customer first. And that's where we believe that, our edge lies. Like, for example, we were the first one to bring 100 days trial period concept to India, which meant that you can actually buy a mattress from Wakefit, return them without even a single question asked, even after using for 99 days, which is very unique, which is customer first, because we believed that customer in interviews, when we asked them, like, what is it that we can do for you? They said, when we go to showrooms, we have to make a decision in 20 minutes, maybe, sit down on the mattress and stuff like that. But we cannot really make out this mattress work for us or not. But once we have bought it, we cannot return. So we created this 100 days trial concept. We were the first one who came up with the roll pack technology. Now our mattresses, which are giant size. Imagine everybody now lives in, high-rise apartments or multi-story apartments. It's very difficult to move mattresses from ground floor to, let's say, a 20th floor or 15th floor, right? So we had to roll pack the mattress in order to bring logistics cost becoming very low, plus customer is able to move the mattress from A location to B location very, very easily. That we came up with. We also did backward integration and adopted TPM methodologies. Like, we are probably the only company in India who is trying to build factories in a fashion that automotive companies in India build, which meant that we could offer even lower cost to our customers because we had a lot of efficiency in our manufacturing and essentially in supply chain also. So I believe that if we remain committed to customers and we build policies which are customer first, we build products which are world class, we believe, we are able to offer better and better price for higher and higher value of the product. I think then, competition